life expectancy of our units had reached its end. The only solution that we had really before Trane was to start cutting out walls, removing windows. If we disrupt a company, we're in violation of their lease. And so we had to come up with a solution.
Sam reached out to me and told me, hey, Harris, I've got some units that are really old, they're struggling. I can't find replacement parts for them. Can you help me? What type of product do you have that we could possibly install in place of these old units? And my light bulb went off in my head. Usually building owners will come to me and say, hey, I've looked at other units and I've had to tear out walls, or we're having to remove doors. The main difference between these other companies and what Trane offers is we don't need to take walls out. We don't need to remove doors. Probably the easiest way to describe a modular self-contained unit is Lego blocks. The units are specifically built to go into the rooms without having to do construction. So it makes it a lot easier on the customer at the end of the day.
We were approached by Trane with this new modular unit, and everybody was at work today. You know, we had tenants, we put up a little piece of caution tape. People stayed behind the caution tape. They went to office. We had their customers coming in. That's just unheard of. I mean, we saved thousands and thousands of dollars on demo. This was just plug and play. It was just painless.
I've been doing this for 15 years, install, service, everything. And these are probably the best units that I've dealt with. I mean, installing them, servicing them, I've went to Tranes that's been there for 15, 20 years, and they're just as easy. I mean, it's that easy all the time.
Very service guy friendly, man. You cannot miswire this thing at all, and it will serve the life of the actual building for many years to come. Our very first one took us about 3 days. Our fourth one today, 2 days with like 4 hours to spare. One of the best and easiest units I've ever put in.